Asia is the largest continent in the world, both by size and by population. But as we know, Asia is not a single country. In this video, let's speculate on what would have happened otherwise if Asia was a single country, no matter how utterly impossible it may be. First of all, Asia would be the largest country in the world with a size of 45 million square kilometers or around 5 USAs. In fact, it would occupy 36% of the entire land area of the world. Additionally, Asia would have a massive population of 4.6 billion people, or about 59% of the entire world population. Thus, it would turn out to have a population density of 102 people per square kilometer. This is about 3 times the density of the USA. Now, let's see which city would be the capital of this country. The capital will most likely be located in China, Japan, or India, owing to the power of these countries in Asia today. I suspect that the capital will most probably be either Delhi or Beijing, because they are the present-day capitals of India and China respectively, the most powerful countries in Asia as of now. Another potential contender for becoming the capital of this country would be Tokyo, the present-day capital of Japan and the largest city in the world. The largest cities of this country would be Tokyo, Delhi, Shanghai, Mumbai, Beijing and Dhaka. Now let's move on to the topic of money. Asia would be the largest economy of the world by both nominal GDP and GDP based on purchasing power parity. You can watch my video on GDP versus PPP to understand the difference between these two terms. I have linked it in the cards and the description. Anyway, Asia would have an economy of $32 trillion, which is about 1.5 times the economy of the United States. In terms of purchasing power parity, the economy of the country would be $62 trillion or 3 times the economy of the USA. This would make the average income of each person in Asia $15,000. This is just a fourth of USA's average income, however. Asia would also be the most diverse country ethnically, linguistically, and religiously. The country would not have a clearly major religion. However, the most adhered religion would be Hinduism, with about 25% of the population adhering to Hinduism, with most of the followers in India and Nepal. 23% of the population would adhere to Islam, with most of the followers in Indonesia, Pakistan, and the Middle East. An additional 12% would adhere to Buddhism, with major followers in East and Southeast Asia. Around 21% of the population would be atheists, with the rest of the 19% population adhering to numerous other religions, including folk religions, Christianity, and dozens of others. Now, since this country would engulf entire present-day countries like Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE, Asia would, by far, become the largest producer of crude oil, producing about 33 million barrels per day. This is about 3 times of what the USA produces. Finally, Asia would have the most powerful military in the world. According to Global Firepower, the entire military personnel of Asia would be 50 million people, which is 23 times the size of the US military. So, governing from the capital of either Delhi or Beijing, Asia would have a massive land, population, economy, and military, which would definitely make it the new global superpower. It would also be, by far, the largest producer of oil. However, the vast ethnic, linguistic, and religious diversity would definitely cause some conflicts within the new country. I hope you liked this video. If you like this new style of making country episodes, do tell me in the comments and surely hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe for more such videos. It would mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching.